Alright guys, now I'm going to be giving you the secrets to getting the best score on Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. I am always an intergalactic hero, and I will show you how to become an intergalactic hero. Okay? Now my girlfriend here will be in charge of the spin control wheel, which is very important. I don't need to really use it because my aim is so amazing that I pretty much destroyed this game no matter what. Now start shooting, make sure you just hold down the button, okay? You don't need to keep shooting, pressing the button, just keep shooting. Now what you want to do is have perfect aim, and you want to switch from Z to Z. Once you hit the Z, go to a different Z. Okay, you don't want to keep hitting the same Z because the time it takes to reset on those scores is just not good enough. You want to hit the Z's and then go to the next Z as quickly as possible. So you go Z, 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 hit, hit, back and forth from Z's. Once you see your laser has hit, then you go from Z to Z. Z, 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 Z. Now this is the key. The volcano at this part. The volcano in the back, okay? You want to hit that Z on the volcano. Okay, that volcano Z is going to give you an extreme amount of points. Okay, so make sure you aim for that volcano Z. Now for this room, all you just do is hold. This is the room with now for this space room, you just hold down the button because there's no Z's that are actually tracking your score. They're just tracking how many times you hit the button. So it really doesn't matter. This one, you're going to want to just go for every Z. Every Z. There is Zurg, he has been defeated. Now you'll see our final score is for the Intergalactic Hero. 45,800. We are the Intergalactic Hero. If you check here. Oh no, Intergalactic Hero is 999,000. Oh no, we're only Ranger First Class. Oh no.